Alright, so there you go. So you basically want to take both of these off. As you can see, it's pretty much loose already because that's just the way it is. So you can grab your, hopefully 10, which it looks like it is a 10, so you're good. Now, you can put it in here. Just break this free. You should be able to just hand pull these out. Like, they're not that tight on there. It's just a little screw. So you don't want to over tighten it. You just want to kind of put it back about how tight it is. And don't want to lose this little clip, because this little clip will basically keep your sprocket in and hold your bolts lined up. So you should be able to just basically pull the sprocket out now. As you can see, you just pull it out, throw the sprocket back over the crank area there, and there's your stock sprocket. If you can see it on there. 15 tooth, let me see. 15 tooth, yeah, that'll work. And pop this over here. The JT sprocket, and this is the 14 tooth JT sprocket going on. So you can kind of see it's basically the same build and everything. Everything should be lining up. There you got the two holes, the middle sprocket part. Everything should be exactly the same. If not, don't put it on. So you want to make sure everything lines up, just because, I mean, you're gonna have a bad time if it doesn't line up. Let's pull these back out again because so you want to make sure everything lines up, otherwise you're going to have a bad time. Basically, you can just, the same way you take the sprocket off, put the new one back on. You can put this little clip back on there too. And pull this out. If this doesn't fit on here and turn, then what you want to do is push the sprocket back more, because it should be sitting back more, at least this thickness, so that you can slap it on and turn it. This is what locks that sprocket into place. So what you want to do is basically have the ability to push it back and then actually turn it. Turn it that way. And on these screws, since they don't have a locking nut or anything, I'm just going to put a little dab of blue Loctite, which everybody should have blue Loctite. If you don't have blue Loctite, I feel bad for you, son, because got 99 problems, but blue Loctite ain't one, homie. So you can just throw those back on there and put another little dab on this one. You're pretty much done with this, I think, for the most part. But you want to take these and screw them in by hand as much as you can, just so that you're not going to cross thread them when you put them back in, because then that's going to be pretty bad. So I usually just go about as hand tight as I can. You put the socket wrench back on there, and you can kind of like gauge how tight they are. I mean, this isn't that tight right now. It just made contact, so as soon as it makes contact, you can kind of stop and just double check the other one. Stop and kind of just keep going back and forth until they're both pretty tight. And it just takes like a little bit of pressure, basically. It's not really anything. You don't want to snap it. You just want it to be on there. It's always easier if you end up you know, tightening it and it feels like it's not that tight, it's easier to just tighten the screws than it is to break it off in there, and that's going to be stuck in your sprocket, and then you're going to have to take it off your sprocket. So note to self, note to yourself, if you're doing that, it's okay to like under tighten, because you're going to have an easier time, you know, checking it after a couple miles and then tightening this versus checking it in a couple miles and it's broken off, and then you got to basically tap it out. So here you go, the front one's done.